Did you know you can use this instead of black pepper? Let's find out more together. Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about papaya seeds. I've got here dried papaya seeds and not many people know they are actually edible, and you need to make your own research whether they are suitable for you. If so, they are wonderful addition to your diet. You can eat them fresh. I don't have fresh one at the moment, but you can check my video above where I was doing amazing stuff with papaya, so make sure you check it out. You might find it a bit strange to eat it fresh from the beginning. They've got a slightly bitter and peppery flavor, so you can use them in salad, or you can put it into smoothies, into your blender. And what is also nice, you can use them dry as well. So I dried a couple of them. You can see I store them in these sort of like containers. And what I was gonna actually do, I was gonna blend them, but what I prefer now, I actually crush them when I need them. It can be used as perfect peppercorn substitute. So you can use it instead of black pepper. What you need to do, you just need to crush them. They are really easy to crush, so I do it when I actually need it. But you can put it into blender or coffee grinder or whatever. You can make your own spice mix. You can blend it with cumin, coriander, whatever you would like. What I actually do, I do loads of vegetable peel seasoning. So I am reusing edible vegetable peels, and I also put some of these there for like a bit of spiciness. And I also like adding something wild into my diet. So I've got here nettle seeds and also broadleaf plantain seeds. They are quite tiny. So if you like, you can mix everything together and it's ready for soups, for stews, for whatever you like. And if you've got your own mixture, you can use it in marinades, in salad, in dressing. It goes very well with meat or fish preparation, wherever you would use pepper. So this is a great way how to add it to your diet. You can also drink it as a tea, but it will have a bitter taste, so it's better to mix it with something sort of sweet and stuff like that. But we are all different, so you can try it whether you like it or not. And I will also leave a link below where I was making ice lollies from fresh papaya. So if you've got papaya, don't chuck it away, like try to use everything. I was also fermenting the papaya skin. Use the seeds, use the flesh, use the skin, and apparently it's also good for your skin, so you can make some wonderful mask. I haven't done it yet, but you know me, I'm gonna definitely try something. Papaya seeds are really rich in fiber. It helps keep things moving, so it really keeps you fit and in great shape. It prevents constipation. It regulates metabolism and supports digestion. It improves our gut health. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and it prevents and reduces inflammation in our bodies. It keeps you looking young, and it's really good for your skin. It was just a quick tip from me what you can do with papaya seeds, and you will need to wash it. So basically when you separate this, you need to put it into water and really separate the pulp. It's something similar if you dealt with pumpkin seeds or any squashes seeds, so you know what I'm talking about. Leave it dry, put it into the oven, and yes, bake it for some time. Make sure you keep eye on them, or you can leave it to air dry or dehydrator. Obviously it will take much longer. And then if you bake them in the oven, make sure you let them cool down completely so they are really cool. And then you can either keep it as that, or you can make your own blends and mixtures, spices. So yes, let me know in the comments below how you're gonna use them. What is your favorite blend? I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, leave me some comments, spread some love, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.